Hello, everyone. My name is Rene. I am from Mexico, and I want to explain in this video the new Apollo scraper tool that I have here. It is version 1.03. So let's just see how to scrape data from Apollo. So I will do a search here, for example, market research is just one keyword, and um, maybe I will put a location, United States. So we have this number of leads. As you can see, I have 0 in the Save tab. So I will just save some leads. So I will just select this page, click Save, Save. Okay, I will refresh. So now you will see that we have here 25. So right now I am doing this manually, just just to save some leads. So every time I perform this action, uh, I am using 1 credit, right? And also you can use this extension with the free account. There is no issue. Okay, so now I have 48 contacts here, or leads, and I want to scrape them. I want to extract that information, right? So that is very easy with the extension. So I will just click here, and this is the demo version. So the demo version only has 1 or 2 pages, right? Because it is the demo version. So I will just do, for example, one just to test it. I will do start scraping. And now you see that there is a new uh, download here. Okay, there is a new file. It's this one, but I will go to downloads, downloads, just refresh, and I will open this file. And you will see that the information that I have here is the same as the information that I have in Apollo, right? So, okay. So the first person is Manuel Join, market research, Procter and Gamble. So that is this person here. Sorry for the pronunciation. It's quite difficult to pronounce this name. Okay, look, market research, Procter and Gamble, and here I have the email, and this email is here, right? Is here, join.m. And then the next email, for example, Nancy Chesney is here, right? So that's the information that I scrape. And you can scrape multiple pages. You just have to put two, right? If you have the full version, you can scrape 50 pages at once. So here I will just put start scraping. So it will go to 2 pages. And also you can stop the scraping here, right, with the stop button if you like. So let's see what happened. Let's click refresh, and I will open this file again. Yes, and this is the information, right? So here we have Nancy, right? Here we have the email, Nancy, and Natalie, Natalia Koulich is the last contact, right? So that is here. Natalia is here, right? So we are, getting data from Apollo using this extension. And also you can add more columns. For example, suppose that you want to, for example, remove columns. So you can create a table layout. You can go to, well, here I am using this test, but you can also create your own layouts, right? So I will just click edit. Here, the only condition is that you don't need to change the name, the title, the company, and the actions. Those four, they have to stay at the beginning like this. But you can remove keywords and you can change the position of email. Maybe let's put this at the bottom, right? And you can also add new variables here, right? No issue. And you can still get the data, right? So let's just play with this. Now I will have the email after phone, right? So next, let's click save. Um, okay, now the layout changed, right? So email is after phone, and you can scrape this data again with my extension, right? Now we are in page number 2. So if I click start scraping, I will just scrape one page, right? Because I am in page number 2. And the good news is that the extension adapts to each layout, right? So the only condition is don't change name, title, company, and quick actions. Just keep that order, right? And let's click refresh, open this, and you will see 25, right, results. So yes, well, 24. And now, as you can see, email is after phone, right? Because remember that we can adapt the layout using Apollo, and also you can scrape that data using the extension, right? So that is the information. And also I want to share a new feature that I added in the extension, that basically uh, it's that you can save uh, leads from the net new tab to the save tab, right? So here the only condition is this button, uh, must be a plus only. So how to do that? Just click inspect. So I will click inspect, and this button is now a plus. So it is now a plus, and I will start the extension. So I will just put 2, right? Remember, if you have the full version, uh, you can put 10. So I recommend to put 10 pages. So I will just click uh, start, and as you can see, the extension is clicking, some buttons, and it will save those leads to the save tab automatically. I mean, you can go for a coffee, you can do other stuff, and you can also use another browser. Just don't close this pop-up, right? If you close this pop-up, this will stop working. Also, if you click stop saving, it will stop, right? So let's wait. This is the second iteration. Okay, and takes time because Apollo has anti-bot measures. So if you abuse, they will catch you. The Apollo has some mechanisms there, but that's why I say, just if you buy the full version, just use 10 pages, uh, and after that, just do other actions like maybe clicking, I don't know, the Save tab, or go to the Total tab, or do another search, uh, or wait just for 2 minutes because Apollo has some measures there. So as you can see, uh, I automatically transfer leads from the Net New tab to the Save tab, right? You can see that this number increased. So now I have 97, right? And I repeat, if you buy the premium version, you put here 10 and it will perform this action 10 times. And then you need to wait 2 minutes, do other stuff, and you repeat. So you need to do this like every, you know, like every 10 minutes, I don't know. So just be careful. Just put 10 to be in the safe zone, right? Here I can't because this is the demo version. Okay, so if you go to Total tab, uh, the Total tab uh, doesn't do anything because basically it's the sum of net new plus the saved. So if you click the extension, it will say you have to go to the net new or go to the save tab, right? So again, if you are in the save tab, you can you can see the email and you can scrape the email and the phone if you can see the phone, right? Um, so let's do it again. For this save tab, I will just delete this part because I don't care. So I will just, again, I want to scrape, let's say, 2 pages, and I can click here, start scraping, right? If you have the full version, you can put here 50, 50, right? 50. So 50 pages at once. That is my recommendation. Just to be under the radar, just to not be detected by Apollo, I will say put 50, right? Here I will just put 2 because this is the demo. So I will just start scraping, start scraping. So the first person here is Peter, and then um, okay, it was very slow. No idea what happened, but let's see what happened. Uh, so let's click refresh. So the first person is Peter, right? So yes. So here is Peter, right? So everything is fine. Um, I am using the free version. That is why you see this dash here, but that is fine. There is no email, and here's the email, right? Here is all the information. And right, so this is the scraper add-on. Also here, if you want to continue scraping, you can click also here start scraping again, and it will go to the next page. Uh, and you can always click stop scraping just to stop the process for a reason, I don't know. Uh, and that's all. That's all. That's the whole idea of this Apollo scraper tool. Um, and here, in this case, if you see the plans, um, I am using the basic, but you can also use the free version, and you will get 10,000, right? You will get 10,000. So it is the same, uh, free and basic. I mean, you can use the free version, and it will work with the free version also. Um, you will get your 10,000 free emails, right? Uh, if you have the version that is the full version, right? So yeah, so that's all. Just remember to read the documentation. If you purchase the full version, just read the documentation, uh, test the extension, and I am always happy to help you with your questions or if you have any doubts. So thank you, and happy coding and happy scraping.